The crazy run. Gosh, gentle. Yeah.
Yeah, wait, so
Getting a little wild. So it
there
said,
was papers, it says it's Pureback Lab, and then my dog trainer was like, oh, that means he's definitely not.
He's not. But who cares, you know? So the DNA came back and it said lab, standard, poodle, and then hound. It's like, oh, you gotta be kidding me. Where is their standard poodle in that big old? He's gonna make a move. He's gonna make a move. You know. Well, not me. You know, he was getting too wild when he did the crazy run. We have water on the patio.
So my friends have these dogs, like, when they're full grown, they're like this small and like this high.
Dachshunds?
They're really small.
Where's your finger?
The only thing that's gross is the nail.
Okay, looks good. And the nails, do they think it's gonna ever